Hi there, hope you are doing good. So here I am with the solution of your required macro. If for the given setting, if the email addresses are in column B and you require the result in column D in the setting, which we can change with the exact data format and the requirement. Now I have splitted this task into first I will show you the highlighted email and then I will run the script again which is the second part which we did actually. So let me run it once so that you can see these are the email addresses which are highlighted, which are matching the criteria which you have given in the list. And one more thing, let me show you. If I copy these here randomly and I will run this one again, you can see all the email addresses are being highlighted as they are. For example, this one is coming again and again. So let me copy this, paste this here. Let's run it again. As you can see, all are highlighted. Now this is not the exact part you asked for. So let me run the second part which actually you need. So you can see all the extras are deleted and the other email addresses are being shifted on the left. Hope you like this one. Please let me know if you need this and please do share your budget so that I can share you the offer. Thank you.